So let's first add another field to our post table. So here we have only, so we don't have the likes field. So inside the posts, so here the post table, so we need to add another field which is likes. Okay, so to do that we need to add a new migration. So let's move to terminal, and here you can run php artisan make migration, and let's give it name add likes field to posts table. Okay, and hit enter, and let's check and see what we have here inside the database. So where is it? So here, so we have the migrations, and we have add likes to the post. So here we have the table, and we have the field here. So let's add the field. So the field will be an integer, and let's give it name of likes, and the default value will be 0, okay, for each post. And here we can drop down using the table. We can drop down column which is likes. Okay, so save. Let's add or let's migrate the migration php artisan migrate, hit enter, and let's see, and now it's done. And now we can display likes for each post. So you can just for checking if the fields has been added or not, let's move to the home page, and here let's so here we have the button. Let's also display how many likes has each post likes, and you will see 0 for each post. Okay, so let's refresh the page, and as you can see we have 0 0, which means that the link has been, not the link, that the field has been added successfully. Okay, so let's remove test. So now we need to move so we need to move to the Vue.js, because we will use Vue.js to display likes. So let's close the folders that we don't need. So let's move to JS. So here we have the components. So where is it? So here, let's close the views. So here we have the components, and inside the components we have the commands and search. Let's add here another folder, call it likes. So inside the folder, let's create another component. So let's call it like.view, and here let's add the structure. So let's remove export and use here setup, and here we have style. So let's add scooped, and here we need to add div. Let's give it deflex, and justify content to, let's use between and align items to the center. Okay, so inside we have so we need to add 2 or 3. So we need 2 buttons, one for like and one for dislike, and we need to display how many likes we have. Okay, so let's add a span and span. So let's add the icon for fast. So I think they have thumb up, and also they have thumb down. Okay, thumb down. And here we will have between so okay, let's add another span for this one. So let's add another span for this one, and here we have the icon, and here we will have, so let's add another span here with font weight bold, and here we will have how many likes we have for each post. Okay, so for now just keep it 0. Okay, let's move to the app.js. So here we need to register the new created component. So let's change it to like the name, and it's inside likes. Okay, so save, let's use it here. So it's like. Okay, and here like. So save. Now we have registered component, so we can use it inside the index, not index but home. So here inside the home, so I think here we can use it. So let's add here like components and save. So let's refresh the page and see what we have here. So as you can see, we have 0, 0, but I think that the icon's name is not the thumb, but it's, I think, far thumb up. I think that's, I made something wrong. Okay, we will check for the icon. So here inside fonts are some icons. So we have thumbs, so with S, so let's check here. So thumbs up and thumbs down. So let's refresh the page and see. So as you can see, we have thumbs up and thumbs down, but we need to have the same or the like component needs to be in same line with the view. So let's move here to the home page. So let's add here also the flex and see what we have here. So let's see. So now they are in same line, and we can justify content between. So save and see, and as you can see now it's better, but we can also here. So here we are using between, and we can let's change it to center and see what we will have. So let's refresh the page. So they are the same, so nothing changes. So even though we are using here the flex, justify content between and align items, okay, but this one needs font weight bold, and let's give it a margin left and right of 2. So as you can see now it's better. Okay, so let's check for the thumbs. So you have thumbs up. So okay, so now once we click here, so we need to increment the likes by 1, and once we click here, so we need to decrement the likes by 1. Okay, so let's do that now.